Ciao everyone. Today I'm hungry for some oatmeal raisin cookies, or my son Jimmy is hungry for some oatmeal raisin cookies. We're going to have 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of butter, softened, half a cup of brown sugar packed, quarter cup of regular sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1.5 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, and 3/4 cup of raisins. All right, in a bowl, you're going to mix your dry ingredients, your flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. All right, in another bowl, you're going to cream the butter, the brown sugar, and the regular sugar. Next, you're going to beat in your egg and your vanilla. Next, mix your dry and wet together. Now we folded in our oats and our raisins. All right, roll up the dough to about ping pong ball size. And it's going to go in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. And here we go. Oatmeal cookies. Delicious, soft, and very flavorful. A cookie that Jimmy would love, and he does. Thank you.